I think if I do 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That should be enough. So let's have a look. I'm going to need to get that in the middle, roughly. Thread that through. Tie that. I'll give that a really good pull. Like that. And then I'm going to thread that through there. Yeah, Ray's doing, he's done me some decking outside the back door. And now he's adding a path to it from the edge of it to the back of the decking on the back garden. Come on, you can go in there. Now, see that? Now what I want to do with that is to pull that in. So I'm pulling that in, so that's my tassel. That's a nice tassel. So I'm going to get some beading. Whichever I choose has to go through. And I'm not sure if it will. We'll see. That's that. And then that sits on top. There. Now I don't like that. I need to put the bead on first. So what I'm going to do is cut these at an angle. So that it's easier, hopefully, to have them going through the bead. That's not a very big hole in the bead. Let's see if we can do a different one. That's not, but if I pull them too tight together there, then I should be able to get this one in. There. Go on, you can do it, mate. Am I getting it? Yes! A little bit of help. It's sort of going. See if I can do it now. I won't give up until I've done it, that's the whole thing. Done it. Perseverance, perseverance. Oh, I didn't put the roundel on. Well, you numpty. We'll both have to come out now because I want the roundels. Right, seeing as that's silver, we'll use the silver one. Thread those through. See, that really should have gone here, you see. I'm not redoing it. Now we need to put this one back on. I need to get that through there as much as possible. Got it. Pop that through there, carefully pulling that tight so then I don't want this to go through that. Otherwise I'm going to be really stuck, so I'm scraping it along the edge. Like that. So I've got that. Well, a nice tassel that. And put that through there. And then put that one through as well. Like that. And then hopefully this will go through. See, it's alright, I've got the first one in, but it's getting this one in. Can I still get my needle down? No, see? Oh, that bit. Oh, I can. Come on, Fee, you can do this. You can do it, girl. Handle that in. Come on, you can do this, Fee. Now, see if I can do it now. It's a tight squeeze. I've got to keep it away from that, which I hope I've done. Pull that near the edge. Oh, pliers. I just don't want to snap my needle because I've done that before today. You know, I've snapped a needle. I just need to grip it and then try and, without snapping the needle. Come on, you can do this, Fee. Whoa. Oh, fell out. I'm going to do it if it kills me. Let me just get rid of that little tail end on, because that's what's doing it. Right. I might be able to just pull that really quickly. Probably come off again, but I just want to be able to... Come on, you can do it. That was lucky. Did I pull it? I hope I haven't pulled... Oh, God, I haven't. That was very lucky to be able to do that. There. And then I've got to pop this on here. Pull that tight, push that through. There we go. Now, and these are one you can actually bend these into place. So I can bend them in. Yeah, and just fold those over so they've got like a cap on them. And I've got my tassel. Now what I'm going to do is just to knot this. So you really do have to work with bead caps and that fit, you know, that have decent size holes. I'm just going to do that a couple of times with mine because mine will hang from something. I'm not that fussed. I'd rather have something like that for it to hang off, like a roped effect, than just those. So I'm just going to keep going as long as I can with it. And then we'll trim the tassel to the size I want. Like that. That's enough to glue onto something. Oops. Yeah. Like that. That's fine. That's plenty for me to glue onto something. And what I'm going to do now is, just to hold mine tight, is put a little dab of glue right on the end and just pinch that together and give it a twist. And then I can cut that with no problem. Oops. Put that back in, I don't need that. It is basically just going to hang off like a canvas or something. But I just wanted to share with you about making them. I love it that I can just reach out and put my stuff away. I really do. So much easier. But yeah, so that will get glued onto whatever project I've got on the go. But I've made myself a nice tassel. It's very secure. And then all I have to do now is to make sure that each piece is roughly cut. I mean, if I want it shorter when I've got it on the project, I can do that. But that's how to make them. So you need large beads. And I do like that. If I did so many, you don't have to do them all. No, I don't have enough of the right bead. So I'm not going to do that. I can't find 3, let alone 6. So I'm just going to take that off. I mean, what you could do is put like 2, 3, 4 different size ones. But not on all of them, just on so many. And it gives you a whole new look. So that's just a little tip to help you to make a nice tassel. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.